Property management lead generation can seem overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. You may have lots of questions, such as where do you focus your efforts? How should you divide up your budget if you have money to spend? What are the best short-term and long-term property management marketing strategies? And which can you hire off or delegate to the team members? In this video, we cover every major lead generation method property managers can use to attract high-quality clients, which is certainly what everyone would want. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned property manager with a team behind you, you'll find something that can help kickstart or supplement your existing lead generation efforts. So let's get started. 7 ways to generate property management leads. Number 1, social media marketing. Social media marketing refers to both organic and paid marketing, but for this section, we'll focus primarily on organically attracting property owners to you. Posting on socials can be done in just a few minutes per day and can range widely in content. The main thing here is to focus on those platforms you feel you have the best early results in. After trying Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, if you're getting the best results from TikTok, be sure to keep posting there. For example, you could do short, useful tips for property owners they can catch as they scroll through their feed. Make them visually appealing with some quick cuts or text overlay, but don't feel like you need to go overboard or do any editing at all. The most important thing here is just to post regularly and make sure that the content you post is hyper-focused on communicating to property owners. Number 2, we have referrals. This can potentially be a big source of leads, and it doesn't just refer to one singular source. There are 3 main types of referrals you can collect: client referrals, family and friends referrals, and real estate agent referrals. Number 3, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network. That makes it the perfect place to go for both property managers looking for property investors with whom they can reach out, as well as a place where investors and property owners go looking for property management. So not only should you have your LinkedIn profile set up and ready to impress, but you should also put together a strategy for one-to-one reaching out to investors. Number 4, send direct mail. Direct mail is simple and a bit dated now, but still effective and a relatively easy strategy to employ or hire someone else to handle. By requesting access to your city or county's accessor database, you can reference whose mailing and property addresses are different, suggesting that the person owns but does not live in the property. Number 5, cold call local property investors and owners. It's not the best lead generation method on this list, but it can be a useful supplement to an overall lead generation strategy. Even better, combine it with what we talked about in the previous point. Call them after they should have received your direct mail, which may help it feel a bit smoother and a little bit more comfortable. Number 6, start and join Facebook groups. This is another effective lead generation strategy. However, this one is a bit on the longer end as it requires patience. There are lots of real estate and property related communities on Facebook and likely several in your area. However, the good ones don't typically allow self-promotion. Instead, you need to be as helpful as possible to attract organic attention over time. So it's important to answer questions, join in discussions, and just generally be active. Though the main benefit will come in making a name for yourself in the group and being a known figure in property management. Number 7, take part in and join local clubs and meetups. This includes visiting meetups found on sites like meetup.com, scheduling your own meetups with local real estate and property professionals, joining local property investor clubs, and other property professional groups. Now, let's dive into a few more advanced lead generation tactics. These methods either take a decent budget, skill level, or simply take more time than any of the methods we mentioned before. With that said, they can be some of the most effective leads of generation methods of all. Number 1, content marketing. This includes a number of different things, such as starting a blog, starting a podcast, or starting a YouTube channel. Taken together, it's one of the single most powerful lead generation methods. Content marketing doesn't generally cost much of anything, but it does require time and patience, whether that's through building a blog to rank for keywords on Google or a YouTube channel. Number 2, start a podcast. Technically a part of the content marketing, the way you can use a podcast is entirely unique from other types of content. Starting a podcast where you interview local property investors and other real estate professionals is a powerful way to not only generate leads, but connections all throughout your local industry. People generally love talking about themselves, so it's an easy thing getting others to agree to let you interview them. And over time, you can create a foothold in your local market and begin to be seen as an expert. Number 3, paid advertising. Paid advertising by its very nature will take a decent budget, but it's also one of the single best sources of leads for property managers. There are a number of platforms you can pay to advertise on, whether it's through the top page listings on Google, or a mid-roll or banner ad on socials such as Google Ads, YouTube advertising, social media marketing via social platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and Yelp advertising. Number 4, pay per lead services. Another great paid marketing option are pay-per-lead services. Pay-per-lead services are platforms that allow you to pay to obtain leads from owners and property investors. A few examples of pay-per-lead platforms include All Property Management, Manage My Property, and Thumbtack. They're a great way to generate quick leads like most paid advertising methods. They're also a great way of getting highly qualified leads, which just could make it worth it in the time you save. So what do you do with all these leads? We hope this list of lead generation tips and methods get you started in the right direction or supercharges your existing lead gen. But one question remains. Once you've begun generating leads, what do you do with them? The solution is a CRM or customer relationship management system that allows you to centralize and organize all lead communications. With DoorLoop's all-in-one property management software, you can not only manage every facet of your client's properties, you can also send communications directly from within the app, store contact information for safe tracking, and track progress with those prospects, both for your future clients and applicants for your clients' properties. If you're ready to start taking your lead generation efforts seriously, be sure to check out DoorLoop to see how it can help level up your lead generation. And that's a wrap for today's video on property management leads. We hope you found this information in this video insightful and valuable. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We release new videos regularly, providing you with valuable insights and tips to help you thrive in the property management world. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We appreciate your support and engagement. Until next time, remember that quality leads are a foundation of successful property management business. Stay proactive, implement the strategies we discussed, and watch your business grow. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.